Hi, this is Avian from 1992 here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the M83A2 the M83A2 electric airsoft gun, and it is made by Wells, I think. Wells. Yeah, this is the for the front right here, and it shows you stuff what's included. Then the back is just styrofoam, and it's actually pretty heavy. It's more heavier, a lot heavier than I thought it was. So yeah. And so yeah. It's an unboxing. Hold on, let me see. Scissors. The scissors open this tape right here. Also, I got a speed loader with this thing. Okay. Now, to the main attraction. Voila. And we'll just put that right over there. And now it comes with the M8 new generation airsoft electric gun M8. Okay, so this is what it comes with. It's got a sight right here. Red dot sight. I don't know if you can see that right now. Got a battery. Flashlight that does not have batteries. Pair of glasses. Some more batteries. An AC adapter. A soda thing strap. More batteries, a little battery, and the grip handle, little bag with accessories like a screwdriver and stuff in it, a extended barrel, like a silencer, but I don't know if it really works. I'll have to test it out. And then that's about it. And the magazine. And then this is a lot heavier than I thought. What I was saying is this gun is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. So, yeah. It is. I can pick it up with one hand still, but it's a lot heavier. And then, like I said, there's the, I think a speed loader and a cleaning stick. But I really don't need that, because I got... So, yeah, like I was saying, the gun is a lot heavier than what I thought it would be. And, yeah, it's got the adjustable stock and stuff. The battery, I think, goes right in there, or the battery's in there already. But I'm not sure. And there's the magazine. And I believe right there, well, I'll be doing a review over this. So yeah. So I snipped the magazine, like that, and then got your wheels up here for your kids' accessories and stuff. Like I said, I got, that comes with a speed loader. Like the cleaning rod and the speed loader. But I don't think it's a very good one, probably. But, I went ahead and got one with it. So, yeah. And, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys this. I don't know. I think the camera messed up or something. That's what it comes with. Oh yeah, it comes with those BBs down there. They kind of dropped. And the,